Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics. As promised, my name is Eccentrics. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure you subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button down below and hitting the bell for future notifications. The second package I'm opening today, so I want everybody to be excited because I'm excited as well. I have the package here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening the package. It came from Amazon. So as you can see, I'm opening the package here. So exciting when I get stuff. Get very, very excited. Ooh, what's inside? It's like Christmas time, Christmas time. So we have a black bag, all right. Ooh, I think I know what it might be. It is the Craphy studio lights. That's right, the Craphy studio lights. Let's open the bag and see what's in there. So we have your lovely carrying bag. We're gonna open it up. Oh, it's packaged really nicely as well. So we actually have, so everybody can see here, we actually have in the package, we actually have an umbrella with the hook, okay? So with the Craphy logo on it as well. If you can see that Craphy logo. We have the little cord with the light on it too. So I'm just going to remove this cord so you guys can see how easily it is to set up. So as we're removing the cord, I already have 2 of these. So this will be perfect for excellent, more quality and lighting when I do my YouTube channel. So Eccentrics is super excited. So we have the umbrella. Let's see what else is in there. We have a box. What's in the mysterious box? Let's open it up and see. Very, very well packaged. I'm super excited that it's very well packaged. We have a 1,000-watt light bulb. That's right, a 1,000-watt light bulb to go with the umbrella lamp. Oh, and there's actually 2. You actually get 2 in the package. So 2 umbrellas and 2 tripod stands as well. So, well packaged, comes in a little carrying bag as well. So you can actually carry it to your photo shoots or whatnot. I believe this is the tripod. Yes, it is the tripod. Also that came with the umbrella is the cover that actually just clips on as well. So you can see that the light will shine through it. We'll look at that in 1 second. Actually, we'll open it right now because I don't want this video to be too long. So you guys can all see how easily the setup is. So we have the light cover here that goes on over top. Very, very simple to apply. We have your lovely tripod. We're opening that up as well. Moving the bag over to the side. I get very excited about these things, so it's very simple. You open the tripod up, like so. This actually extends up, and when I say extends up, it extends way, way up. So we're extending it up to the full height. We're just going to turn as well. Turn the nozzle on the bottom to secure the end as well. Now, moving the camera up so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. It's actually now up in the position ready to go. We are going to now install the light fixture on top of it. The umbrella. I'm just going to move out of the way so you guys can see how it actually hooks in. So we have a long extension cord, which is great. I'm going to plug that in now into my light socket. This umbrella will just open up like so. And all you want to do is push it in place like so. All right, so we've pushed it in place. We're now going to install it onto the top of the stand, like so. Twist it to secure it. And voila, we have the Craphy installed light. It only takes a couple of seconds. We're going to take our light bulb, put it in. This actually does turn down and you can angle it. Screw the light bulb in, like so. Then we're going to take the light cover, and this is so easy to put on. It's absolutely amazing. So it just basically goes over the top like so. And there's actually Velcro on either side of it that actually secures it on the top and on the sides, like so. And I already have, like I said, 2 of these, so this is perfect that 2 more actually came in. And then we're gonna hit the power switch down here as well, and voila, perfect. So we have more light, great for photography studios, great for shooting, for your YouTube videos as well. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, Eccentrics. This is Eccentrics coming to you on Sunday with more stuff happening. Don't miss out for Makeover Mondays starting tomorrow. Thanks for subscribing, and cheers everyone.